Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in my video I am going to tell you what is 4-pin alternator and how it works and what is most problem in it. Let's begin our video. So guys, this is alternator 4-pin. One of the customer brought to repair it or check it what is the fault in it. So we kept and we start diagnosing this one. It is a 4-pin alternator with one main wire. Most of the alternators are coming 3 pins with one main wire, and some are coming with 2 pins, one main wire. So we install it on vise to catch it tight. And first of all, I will tell you and describe, share with you the wiring diagram. And this, there is 4 pins. Pin number 1 will be positive when the switch is on. Pin number 1 will be positive when the switch is on, and pin number 2 will be direct from the battery. Between the battery and the pin number 2 there will be main fuse or small fuse, not a big fuse, a small fuse with 15 ampere. And the pin number 3 is light. Pin number 3 is light. It will on the light. You understood? The negative for the light is going from pin number 3. And the pin number 4 is ECM current when it is working through ECM, which is not important in this. If it is not connected also, it don't affect anything. Everything is going very smoothly. So as I told you, pin number 1 will come positive with switch when switch is on. Pin number 2 is direct from battery, and pin number 3 is light. When you on the switch, the negative is directly coming from the pin number 3, and the positive is coming from battery or somewhere else, you can say. And the pin number 4 is ECM. So now what we are going to do, we connect pin number 1 and pin number 2 with direct with the main connector of the this alternator, and pin number 3 we connect with the light, and this another side of the another wire of the light we connect with the main connector. You can see I am fixing the clip, and you can see beside the clip the main connector is connected from the battery. I connected from down battery, and this clip I connected, and the wires all I make it together. See, you can see I connected it to this one, and the main wire I touch. You can see the light is on now as the switch is on of the car. When the light is on, you are 50% or 70% sure the alternator regulator is good. We are tightening the main wire on the main current. So the light is on, the regulator is good. Now we will check either this alternator is working great. As you can see, we rotate it with the machine gun and the light is going off. So the question, why the customer have complained in this alternator? We will diagnose it more. We will open the carbon brush. We will open the backside cover and check the carbon brush. Most probably like these faults are coming from carbon brush, because the carbon brush sometimes touching the regulator, sometimes it is not touching the regulator. So we all remove the cover and we remove the carbon brush screws. Oh, you guys can see the carbon brush is gone. It is finished. This carbon brush is giving current to the regulator. When the regulator is rotating, the carbon brush is passing the current. The carbon brush is high, it withstand with high heat, so that's why it is used the carbon brush over here. So guys, if you guys have any question, please ask me in comment. Thank you for watching. And this is the 4-pin wire. The diagram shown in this one is all time fixed on the alternator. If you have any question regarding this diagram, or you want to understand more about this diagram, you can ask me in comments. And this light will appear when your car is on and your car is running, or engine is running. This light will appear, which means there is fault in the car alternator or the charging system of the car. And any question regarding this, you guys are welcome to ask me. And this is the carbon brushes which is fault in this alternator, which we show in this video. Any question regarding any kind of help, please, I will be very happy to answer you guys. Thank you. Subscribe for next video. Thank you.